Hello YouTube viewers, thank you so much for tuning in, and this is my laundry room which I would like to give you a tour of, and it's mainly because of the collection of elephants that I have in here. So this is where I display my elephant collection. Some of them consist of the ones that my mom had and some of the ones that I had from before. So I want to show them to you, and I'm going to be opening these doors here. There's the washer and dryer, and up there, instead of putting towels and linens and stuff like that, I use the space to display my elephants. And of course I hang clothes here if I need to. Very delicate items, after I wash them, I don't want to put them in the dryer, so that corner is a little messy in there. But let's look at the elephants. So this frame here was my mom's. May she rest in peace. Look at how beautiful that elephant is. So going down to all the elephants, we will start with the center. So these here were a gift to my mom from me. These actually hang. If you want to hang them up somewhere, they hang, but I didn't want to do that. So I just placed them in a row, one after the other. But look at how cute. So other than that, back here I have an elephant that was a gift. Oh no, I'm sorry. This one was my mom's, and I think I gave it to her at one point. But then there's another one back there that a friend of mine gave me. That one has coins and dollars on it, like a lucky elephant. This one is an ornament, so I have a few of these. This one, this one, this one, and that one. They were all from the same place, which was Target. And you can see the little string, those are ornaments. So going back to where we were here in this corner, I have a glass elephant here. This one is a little chipped somewhere, but I don't know if I should throw it out or not because it's chipped. And then there's another one here. Oh, this is one of the Target ones. They came out for Christmas. I don't know if Target has them all year round, but I bought them at Christmas time. This one was my mom's. This one was actually from the Dollar Tree, and it was like this. But I painted it these colors and placed a little diamond ribbon around, and this is what I came up with. I had a video on that, on a few elephants that I painted. I gave one to my aunt. But this elephant is the same as that one, and I got it at the Dollar Tree. Then I have these little marble elephants that I came into a while back, the little ones, like different sizes. I bought them, I believe it was at the either flea market or yard sale. This one is from Target. This one is from some toys. This one was my mom's. And these are the those marble ones that I told you about. I even have more really tiny ones, but I have them in my doll houses of these. Then this one I bought, I think it was a quarter at a yard sale. It's more like a paperweight. This one is from Target, the ornament. This one here was my mom's, this one, right here. I gave her that one as a gift. Then there's one back there. This one I don't remember where it came from. Then there's another Dollar Tree one that's unpainted. This one, I don't remember this black one, how I got it. Might have been at the Goodwill or something like that. This one, probably some dollar store. This one was from a Goodwill store, I think. That's from Target. And the one up there, I think my mother had it for a while. So yeah, so these are the elephants. I do have more, but they are in my doll houses. Oh, and we missed that bunch there. It's kind of like a candle holder. You could put a little candle in there. So yes, so this is the best place for me to display them. You know, there's enough space here for them. And every time I open my laundry room doors, they are there. And it's a cute thing to display. I'd rather have this than have the towels and linens up here, even though that's what this rack is for. But you know, you make your own choices of where you want to display your stuff, you know. You might not have space somewhere else, so this is the spot that I chose. And I want to make sure that you see all of them up close. I like that one a lot. That one very nice. Well, I think that this is it. I hope that you have enjoyed, and thank you so much for watching.